Hello and welcome to this tutorial. This video shows you how to ask your guests to upload their documents during the booking process. You can add fields with custom descriptions to collect IDs from guests. To do so, click on the gear icon on the top right corner of the page and select Confirmation Process. Go to General Info, then Person Booking, and turn on Document Upload. Note that you can also go to Guest Info to turn it on for lead guest or additional guests, adults or children. Click on Add Item. A window opens in which you can insert the ID item, its instruction, and its attachment method. Finally, click on Add. Note that the result will then be displayed, and it can be edited or deleted by clicking on the pen or bin icon. When the booking process is done by guest or person booking, you can click on the lead guest's name on Bookings Overview under Guests tab. When you click on Review and Verify or go to Guest Profile, then you will be directed to Guest Page. Under Profile tab, you can view guest documents. You can also click on three dots to download it. Click here to watch more tutorials and start growing your business.